Alright folks, we're going to start using all of the commands that we've learned over the past couple days to make our first really complicated part. So we've made a fairly simple part with our puzzle blocks. We're now going to make something more complicated, which is a Lego-like toy. Right? We're going to make something that's Lego-like, and we're going to actually print it on our 3D printer. So I want to show you some of how to do this. I'm going to start with a new part. And I am first going to sketch out a rectangle, which I'm then going to extrude. Then I'm going to shell it, right? So Legos are shelled, so I'm going to shell the back face, and let me see how that looks. Okay. When you're doing your actual model Lego, we want you to type in real numbers for this. So we want you to set what this length should be, right? What this height should be. I just want to show you the sequence of operations that you're going to use, likely to make your Lego-like product. Alright, now what we're going to do is we are going to add some of those little buttons that are on the top of the Lego. So I'm going to do that by sketching on the front face. And I'm going to use that replicate linear sketch pattern that we learned. So I'd want to get my spacing just right, measure out what the spacing should be. On the y-axis, I'm going to do two. There we go. Now I'm going to exit the sketch, and I'm going to extrude. I've made some little nubs on the top of something that would look like a Lego. Okay. So I want to make it explicit again, the three operations that we have used to start our Lego model. We've done an extrude, so we made a rectangle, right, this back rectangle, and we extruded it forward to create a block. Then we shelled out the back surface of the block. Then we drew a single circle on the front surface, replicated it in X and Y, and extruded it out. There might be some other things that we want to add to our Lego to make sure that it functions like a Lego. One of the most important things is if you look on the back of your Lego, there are these little nubs, they're little rectangles back there that help to capture these nubs on the front. So the way that I would model them is I would sketch on the inside here. I would sketch a nub. We actually call these ribs, like human ribs. That's what they would be called as an engineer. We're going to extrude that. And that would create these ribs. So you may want to add something like this to the inside to make sure that these circles fit in there. And we'll get into that more in class, but I just wanted to give you a warm-up as to how this would work. Alright, so I am going to sign off, but hopefully you enjoyed that video. Bye-bye.